Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you're new here, don't forget to like the video and subscribe for more smartphone unboxings, reviews, and tech updates. Today, we are unboxing the brand new Samsung Galaxy A17 5G. This smartphone comes with 5G connectivity, a premium Samsung design, and an upgraded display and camera experience, making it a strong choice in the budget to mid-range segment. So, let's quickly unbox it and take a closer look. Here is the Samsung Galaxy A17 5G box. On the front, you can see the phone image along with Samsung branding. Let's open the box. Inside the box, you get Samsung Galaxy A17 5G handset, SIM ejector tool, quick start guide, and warranty card. Please note, charging adapter is not included in the box. Type-C charging cable, Now let's remove the protective film and check out the phone. The Galaxy A17 5G features a sleek and modern design with a smooth matte finish back that resists fingerprints. On the front, you get a large edge-to-edge display with a water drop notch housing the selfie camera. On the rear, there is a dual camera setup neatly placed with an LED flash, giving the phone a clean and premium look. One of the highlights of the Samsung Galaxy A17 5G is 6.7-inch Super AMOLED screen HD+/FHD+ resolution, depending on variant, vibrant colors and deep blacks, excellent brightness for outdoor visibility. This display is perfect for YouTube, Netflix, gaming, and social media browsing. Right side, power button and volume keys. Bottom, Type-C port, speaker grill, and microphone side. SIM tray with dual SIM plus micro SD card support. Now let's power on the phone. Press and hold the power button, and you'll see the Samsung logo appear on the screen. Since this is the first boot, it may take a few seconds. After booting up, you'll see the welcome screen. The setup process includes selecting your language, choosing your region, connecting to Wi-Fi, accepting terms and conditions, signing in with your Google account, setting up screen lock security, PIN, pattern, fingerprint, optional data transfer from an old phone. The Galaxy A17 5G runs on Android latest version, with Samsung One UI on top. Samsung One UI offers smooth animations, dark mode, privacy, dashboard secure folder, battery and performance optimization. Now let's talk about the cameras. On the back, the Galaxy A17 5G features main camera, 50MP, for sharp and detailed photos, depth or macro sensor for portrait shots and close-up photography. On the front, you get 13MP selfie camera, ideal for selfies, video calls, and social media content. The camera performs well in daylight photography, portraits, and casual video recording. 5G network support for faster data speeds, efficient processor for smooth daily performance, suitable for social media, streaming, and light gaming. Battery and charging. The Galaxy A17 5G packs a long-lasting battery, easily getting through a full day of usage. It supports USB Type-C charging, ensuring convenient and reliable charging. Key highlights: 6.7-inch Super AMOLED display, 50MP dual rear camera, 13MP selfie camera, Android OS with Samsung One UI, 5G connectivity, 5000 mAh long-lasting battery, premium Samsung design, dual rear cameras and selfie camera, Samsung security, and regular updates. So this was the unboxing, startup, setup, and key features of the Samsung Galaxy A17 5G. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to the channel for more smartphone videos. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video.